Hello and welcome back to Eurovision 365. You can see, you eagle-eyed viewers, that the background has changed yet again for me. So of course, that means there's going to be a new reaction video. I love this time of year. So many new songs to listen to and appreciate. But anyway, let's not delay. Let's press play! I never get tired of saying that. Anyway, let's go and press and play this very second. Now, this is Harmonija Disonance, Nevera Lei. Traditional. It's like a travel video, as in come visit Croatia. Oh my goodness, it looks lovely. It's in black and white, this video. I'd love to go to Croatia, actually. Let's do that. Anyway, song. I know I'm gonna love this. Okay. Hey! Brilliant. This is the kind of song that I would hope to hear from Croatia. Those harmonies, tradition, sticking to the roots. Nevera Lei. It's a lot of words, a lot of lyrics to this. Ooh. Let's quiet the pace down a little bit. Take time to breathe. Do you know what I'm thinking of? You know what this song reminds me of? Slightly. Teal. Do you remember that from Estonia back in 2004? That's just definitely should have qualified. Anyway, I love this. Yay! Whoa! I think my only fear for this song, as much as I love it, and I do, I worry that it wouldn't have enough broad appeal to do well at Eurovision, but you never know. I'm guessing it would remain in the Croatian language, which it should, by the way. Yeah, some horses, some white horses running. Yes. This video is very classic Eurovision video, preview video. Love it. I do want to go and see this country for sure. Maybe I will next year if they win. Yes, and it's over. It is over. So that's the first song I have reacted to, or I'm reacting to, Dora 2023. Wow, that was a good one to start off with, wasn't it? Well, I thought so anyway. But now it's time for Podrick's rating. Yeah. So my rating out of 10, based on my first time listening to this song, is 7 out of 10. It gets those extra marks from me because of how traditional it sounds, and that's the kind of sound I always seem to go to. And yeah, I love it. I loved it a lot. So 7 out of 10 from me. That's what I think. What do you think? Do you think that score's too low? You know what? You can let me know in the comments below if you think so. That kind of rhymed. But anyway, that's me for now, and I hope you enjoyed that. But until next time, you take care, and I'll see you in the next video.